Okay, we are at Conte's Pizza at 309 Northeast 2nd Avenue in Delray Beach. You know, guys, what's really important is the criteria. I say it all the time. I have a very high level, high criteria, high standards. I walk in the door, place is immaculate. No fingerprints on the doors, floors are very clean. It's just beautiful. People at the front desk were wonderful. Pizza chef in there, Giovanni from Albania. His father's from Calabria, where my father's from. Just great. Awesome place. Very, very clean. Here's their slice. Okay. A little bit of a flop. Tiny. Nice undercarriage. They use Grande Cheese, which is the #1 cheese out there. They use all Trump flour. They use tremendous quality tomatoes in there. Look how beautiful that is with the basil. Ease of access, easy to get to, great parking. That all goes into it. I like to think of my review of as more of like a Zaggett's review of pizza. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. Wow. You hear that crunch? They have 4 locations. Owners in New York, also from Italy. Really, really good slice, delicious. No grease, none at all.
How's the sauce?
The sauce is delicious. Nice combination of cheese and sauce. I'm very impressed. I'm going to give Conte's an 8-4. That's my score. 8-4.